graduation paper in here?
Nope.
I'm almost done with mine. How's your coming along?
Oh, I wish I was almost done with mine.
It's so good to almost be done.
I'm up on him, he up on me, don't pay him any attention. Just crying my tears, get 3 good years, still can't be mad at me. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Oh, 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 on my lips, a man on my hips, and me tied it in my dairy on jeans. Acting up, drinking my cup, I can care less what you think. I need no permission, did I mention? Don't pay him any attention. 'Cause you had your turn, and now you're going